One of the hardest things in English is the pronunciation. I want to teach you the vowel sounds in English. If you understand how to pronounce the vowel sounds, your accent will be greatly reduced. I would like to help you to sound more natural in English. I will go through lists of words with you. The first time, I will say the list slowly. I want you to repeat them after me. And then I will say them faster, and I want you to say them with me. I will not be adding the Spanish translation because I want you to purely focus on the pronunciation of each word. Let's begin. Pat, pet, Pete, pot, pout, put. Now let's say them together. Pat, pet, Pete, pot, pout, put. Far, fair, fear, fur, fire, for, fur. Now say them with me. Far, fair, fear, fur, fire, for, fur. Tack, take, tick, tyke, talk, took, toke, tuck. Now, say them with me. Tack, take, tick, tyke, talk, took, toke, tuck. Van, vain, vine, Vaughn. Now say them with me. Van, vain, vine, Vaughn. Gnat, net, neat, knit, night, not, note, nut. Now say them with me. Gnat, net, neat, knit, night, not, note, nut. Cat, Kate, kit, kite, coat, cut, cute. Now, say them with me. Cat, Kate, kit, kite, coat, cut, cute. tan, 10, teen, tin, ton, tone, tune. Now say them with me. Tan, 10, teen, tin, ton, tone, tune. Lag, leg, log, lug. Now say them with me. Lag, leg, log, lug. Wrap, rep, reap, rip, ripe, rope. Now say them with me. Wrap, rep, reap, rip, ripe, rope. It's shout out time. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Raul Sanchez for joining my Patreon. Thanks so much. Have you heard about my Patreon? If not, check this out. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit. Mass, mess, miss, moss. Now say them with me. Mass, mess, miss, moss. Band, bend, bind, bond. Now say them with me. Band, bend, bind, bond. Tap, tape, tip, top. Now say them with me. Tap, tape, tip, top. Hap, heap, hip, hop, hope. Now say them with me. Hap, heap, hip, hop, hope. Pan, pain, pen, pin, pine, pawn, pun. Now say them with me. pan, pain, pen, pin, pine, pawn, pun. Sal, sail, sail, sill, soul. Now, say it with me. Sal, sail, sail, sill, soul. Ram, rem, ream, rhyme, roam, room, rum. Now, say it with me. Ram, rem, ream, rhyme, roam, room, rum. An, in, on, own, one, un. Now, say it with me. An, in, on, own, one, un. Wane, when, wean, win, wine, one. Now, say it with me. Wane, when, wean, win, wine, one. Dan, Dane, den, dean, dine, dawn, done, dune. Now, say it with me. Dan, Dane, den, dean, dine, dawn, done, dune. Fan, feign, fen, fin, fine, fun. Now, say it with me. Fan, feign, fen, fin, fine, fun. If you keep practicing these vowel sounds in English, you will definitely improve your accent. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, my favorite blabanitos!